Depending on the layout for your site, there are different areas that are just considered to be plain text blocks. And you can place images in these blocks as well. So in this video, we'll be going over how to identify which of these blocks you can simply edit by clicking Edit right by it. So for example, on your front page, most of the time you'll have a short About section. And when you hover over that area, you'll notice in the top right corner, a little gear will appear. So just click on that gear, and if Configure Block is the only option, then it's safe to just click on that, and you'll be able to edit that area directly in the body here. So you can edit the text however you'd like, or if you'd like to add an image, the image icon is here. You'll get a little analog box, and then click on Browse Server. And when you click Upload here, choose File. Now when you click this Choose File, you'll have another pop-up that will allow you to actually pick the file from your desktop. And then you'll click on Upload, and it'll pop up in this region right here. You'll get to see it, and then just double click on it, and then you'll see it pop up in here. One thing to keep in mind is to try to make sure that this height field is just blank. If you leave both of these blank, it will take the actual size of your image and resize it according to the screen width. But you can also just choose a width and then leave the height as is, and then just click OK when you're finished, and you'll see it pop up down here. And when you're finished making whatever edits you need, just scroll down and click on Save. So for example, that About section was one of those simple blocks. You can also change your header callout in that same way. So click on the Configure block. And then here you have it. And any of these that are blue underlined means that they are a link. And if you ever need to change those, or even if you're adding a link in general, just highlight the text that you want to link, and then you'll see this chain here. And that's the link icon. And you just paste the address in here. This is how you can link it to an email, and you would just type in the email address here. But yeah, you can kind of play around with your options. But URL is just a basic link to another window. Now the one block that you should not click on Edit would be this fitment block. Just be wary. There is nothing that you can change in here, so don't even bother with this one. But yeah, so if you have a header callout, this front text block, you'll notice you can't make any changes to this area because there are other options in here. If Configure Block is the only one, that one is safe to click on. So these footer links, I have another video on how to change these links around here because the format is a little bit different, but the same thing. When you're ready to edit them, click on the gear and then Configure Block.